We are in the 2-bedroom, 1.5 bath townhome. And when you walk in your door, you walk to the left and there is a huge living area, and it's got this great big window with a ton of natural light. You can fit really oversized furniture in here. So if you have extra furniture, this is a great amount of space. And we'll go back here. So on the first level, you do have a half bath. So that will be right here, right next to the kitchen. So if you look this way, you do have this great dining room space. So you definitely have room for a kitchen table in here, and it's right next to the kitchen. And again, you have a really great kitchen, lots of counter space and cabinets for storage. And then over here, you have a kitchen pantry with lots of shelves. And then one of my very favorite parts about these apartments, these townhomes, is the cute fenced-in patio. So again, there's that kitchen. All right, and then if you go around the corner here, you do have a coat closet in the hallway. And that's a good 2 feet deep, so some extra storage space there. And then I'm gonna take you down here. We do have a partially finished basement in this, and so it's a little dark. I need some floor lamps down here, but this is some extra space, some extra living space. And this door over here is unfinished, but that's where your washer and dryer hookup are. Okay, let's go back up the stairs. And we'll go check out the upstairs section. All right, and right up at the top of these stairs, you have a great linen closet. Again, it's got a lot of shelving. And then we'll go to the first bedroom. Again, a lot of space. You can fit some really big furniture in here. And here's your closet space. So again, this is really large. It's oversized. Great shelving. And then we'll head over to the bathroom. This is on the second floor. So this one has this great mirror, and it's got the tub shower combo. And it does have some extra storage under the sink. And then the final bedroom. This one has a window again. Got a lot of space for oversized furniture. And then a very similar closet over here with the shelving. So we'll take a look at this one.